It's essential to regularly empty your private message inbox, including the sent box. Failure to do so has consequences. You will not be able to receive new private messages. Your private message inbox may become full, preventing you from sending or receiving any messages. You may miss important messages or notifications from other users. To empty your private message box, firstly, click the messages icon in the top navigation bar. Secondly, select the Inbox tab. Thirdly, delete any unwanted messages by selecting them and clicking the Delete button. Alternatively, you can use the Select All checkbox to select all messages at once and delete them. For regular maintenance to avoid potential issues, it is recommended to regularly check and empty your private message box, including the sent box. A good rule of thumb is to do this every few days or as needed. By keeping your private message box empty, you can ensure that you can always receive and send messages without interruption. Maintaining your digital space ensures optimal functionality and prevents missed communications. Clearing your inbox is a simple but vital task for staying connected and informed. Make it a routine to avoid any disruptions in your messaging experience. By proactively managing your messages, you can ensure a smooth and efficient communication flow. This practice keeps your digital environment organized and ensures you stay up to date with important information. Regularly reviewing and clearing your inbox helps maintain a clutter-free and accessible message history. Embracing this practice contributes to a more streamlined and productive online experience. By prioritizing inbox maintenance, you can prevent potential delays and ensure timely access to important communications. Implementing a regular clearing schedule helps foster a more efficient and responsive communication environment. This proactive approach to message management ensures you remain connected and responsive to incoming messages. By consistently emptying your inbox, you contribute to a cleaner and more organized digital workspace. Taking the time to delete unwanted messages ensures your inbox remains manageable and easily accessible.